If you need to update your name on TripAdvisor due to a change in personal information or for any other reason, you can easily do so by following these steps. Open your web browser and navigate to the TripAdvisor website on your computer or mobile device. Log into your TripAdvisor account using your email address and password. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically accessible from the main menu or your account drop-down. Within the account settings, look for the section related to personal information. Find the option to edit or update your name. Click on this option to make changes to your name. In the provided fields, enter your new name exactly as you'd like it to appear on TripAdvisor. After entering your new name, review it for accuracy and then save your changes. Depending on TripAdvisor's interface, you may need to click on a Save or Update button to confirm the changes. In some cases, TripAdvisor may require you to verify your identity using your password or by following any prompts or instructions. And by following these steps, you have successfully changed your name on TripAdvisor. Ensure that your updated name reflects accurately on your account to avoid any confusion in the future. Happy travels! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.